What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to my space. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. This is Sister J. I welcome you. To all my channel members and all my supporters, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate you. Please continue to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider in doing so. This video is sponsored by Chef Sac. Yes, guys, I'll be doing unboxing. They were sent to me by Chef Sac. So this one is empty. So let's open this one. Oh. Oh. Look at that, guys. All right. So this is a chef bag. This is awesome. So we're gonna open this together. And guys, so just showing you inside of the box. On each side. Chef Sac. Go shop at Chef Sac. So guys, this is a chef bag. Yes, guys. Wow. See, you have the different compartments to put the knives. So if you are a chef or you know someone that is a chef, this could be a great gift. See? So this is what the chef bag looks like. Do this for me. See, it says Chef Sac. So this is what's in this bag. Also in this side, you can put stuff. This is very convenient for a chef. Yes. I want to say thanks to Chef Sac for this awesome gift. I love this
bag.
For me, I would just wear it with one. You know, the guys will wear both of them, but I just use one for me. You know, so when I'm gonna have like picnic or doing a catering job outside, this is perfect for me. It can be perfect for any chef that you know. So guys, we're gonna cut open the other box and see what's there. Okay? So now we're gonna cut open this box. Okay guys, so let's see what it says there. Chef Sac. It says new. So these are knife guards. We have come to the end of the unboxing. If you'd like to see this bag and more items that Chef Sac carry, please click on the link below. At checkout, please enter code SISTERJ. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Please shop at Chef Sac. Subscribe for more.